Ayaw, sige.
Siyang maaari.
For graduation from the College of Engineering and Architecture. 30 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. 11 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. 2 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering. 7 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. 128 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. 56 for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Architecture. They have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements for graduation as specified by the respective curricula and university policy. I am submitting the list of candidates for graduation from the College of Engineering and Architecture for your confirmation and conferment of degree as well as appropriate charges.
Of Nueva Cáceres Board of Trustees, as University President, I hereby confirm you graduates of your respective degrees with all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations, batch 2026, and congratulations to your parents, relatives, and benefactors. M. Robredo, para sa bayan, ay isang tawag ng paglilingkod na mahusay, matino, at may puso. I am proud to say that those are the exact qualities of our guest speaker I am honored to introduce to you today. Good afternoon. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
To our distinguished guests, our speaker, university officials, faculty members, proud parents, families, and most especially our graduates, our beloved batch, class 2026. Education is the most powerful force for transforming lives, communities, and nations. For 78 years, the University of Nueva Cáceres has remained faithful to the vision of its founder, Dr. Jaime Hernandez, an enduring commitment to education that empowers individuals, strengthens communities, and advances nation building. From its humble beginning in 1948, UNC has grown into one of Southern Wisconsin's leading universities, forming generations of professionals, leaders, innovators, and change makers who continue to make their mark in the Bicol region, across the Philippines, and beyond. Today, that legacy is reflected in our pursuit of excellence. And dear graduates, if you may indulge me, this might be the last that you will cheer the Bet na Bet for UNC. UNC? Bet na Bet? UNC. Indeed, Bet na Bet, UNC. Through strong academic programs, international recognitions, global rankings, and leadership in graduate and professional education. More than credentials and distinctions, this affirms a single truth. UNC prepares you, our graduates, not for school, but for life. Non scolaire said detail, in the demands of a changing and interconnected world, We hold our graduates to be strongly rooted locally, yet prepared to be global citizens to contribute and participate in creating an epic, a remarkable future. In the words of our class 2026 valedictorian, J.D. Abunda, during his message to the Gaudio Anciano awardees, the UNCM graduates cannot be silent observers but must actively engage in shaping the future. As we celebrate the class of 2026, we are reminded that excellence is not a destination but a journey. One that calls us to continuously evolve, keep on growing, learning, leading, and uplifting others. It is in this spirit then that we welcome a speaker whose life's work is dedicated para sa bayan. In the field closest to every parent and Filipino family's heart, closest to their heart, education. Our speaker has embraced this mission of transformation and transforming education for Filipino learners, from building the foundation to workforce development as pillars for nation building. In this common mission comes the University of Nueva Cáceres promise: makakatapos, magkakatrabaho, at magtatagumpay. As we confer degrees upon you, our dear graduates,
the culmination of many years of dedication, sacrifice, and commitment to a goal that many of you have worked tirelessly to achieve. Sinasagisag ng bawat diploma na iyaabot sa inyo mamaya ang maraming taon ng pagsisikap at pagtsatsaga dito sa UNC. Naalala ko po ang isang bahagi ng graduation speech ni National Artist Ricky Lee na tulad ninyo ay galing sa Bicol. Ang sabi ko niya, bilang working students, kinakailangan paghatian nilang apat na magkakaibigan ang iisang apartment. Napahalagahan natin ang okasyong ito dahil nakita po natin sa pag-aaral ng EDCO, hindi lahat ng Pilipino nakakatungtong sa entablado, hindi lahat ng Pilipino umaabot sa college graduation. Noong 2024, lumabas ang pag-aaral ng EDCO. Sa bawat 10 Pilipino na gustong mag-college, 4 lang ang nakakapag-enroll. Buhay ng isang graduate. Sabi ko sa Ambition 2040, ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino, simple lang ang pangarap na ang kanilang anak ay makapagtapos ng kolehiyo. Hindi po nila hinahangad na magkamansyon, hindi hinahangad na magkaroon ng mga maraming sasakyan na may payong sa pintuan. Ang pangarap nila, makagraduate ng college. But what does it mean to be a college graduate? What does it mean to be educated? In 1922, 20 plus years before your university was founded, the first dean of the UP College of Education asked a simple question.
Speaker during the 78th commencement exercises, thereby contributing immeasurably to the prestige and success of the occasion. Given this 19th day of June 2026 at the University of Nueva Cáceres, Naga City, Philippines, signed by the University President, Dr. Faye Leia Patria M. Galraya.
To impose upon you this balion, a lasting symbol of the respective degrees you have earned and the symbol of your future profession. Wear it with dignity, live up to its expectations, and let it remain pure and untarnished. It is a covenant that will bind you to your alma mater. May this ever be your guide in the exercise of your profession with integrity, prudence, and justice. Students, please impose upon yourself the UNC balion. Congratulations to all of you.
That will inspire other undergraduate students to aspire for excellence in the various facets of human development. JVM Abunda has a natural curiosity and sees things differently. He has many ideas and consistently gets the best grades in school. But despite all his achievements, he remains humble. He does not hoard his knowledge, but shares it actively with others. He values other students' insights and has a genuine interest to serve the student body. Truly a person of character who is passionate to learn and always ready to serve. The University of Nueva Cáceres Board of Trustees and Academic Council recognize J.V.M. Abunda, a Bachelor of Business Administration, major in Marketing Management graduate, as the class of 2026 valedictorian, who embodies the core values of the university, strives for excellence in scholarship and leadership, inspires other students, holds himself to high standard.
Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Erwin Jr. V. Culvera, Loyalty, Naga City. Jivian B. Fortuno, Loyalty, Naga City.